Today is day 13, and we are going to focus on something very important: daisy petal control and leaf stroke variations. First, I'm starting with basic daisy petal strokes, using round brush number 9 with light blue and cobalt blue acrylic colors. This session is all about understanding brush pressure, stroke direction, and flower structure. So if you're struggling with neat petals or natural-looking flowers, this video will really help you. The most important thing here is pressure control. When you apply more pressure, your stroke becomes wider and softer. When you apply less pressure, the stroke becomes thinner and sharper. You can see how each petal changes depending on how I press and lift the brush. This dual-tone petal makes the flower look more realistic and beautiful. Also notice, some petals are straight. Some are curved. Some are slightly tilted. This variation is what makes your flowers look natural instead of stiff. Also, when I switch to a smaller size brush, you can see the strokes become much thinner and more delicate. This is perfect for painting filler flowers and adding fine details to the composition. Next, I move on to leaf strokes. Leaves are not just one shape. You can create so many variations by changing pressure, changing direction, slight twisting of the brush. This will help when we do compositions later. Now before painting, I lightly sketch the flower placement. This helps in understanding angles of petals, proper center placement, balanced composition. And I'm creating an open flower, a semi-closed flower and small filler flowers. Using the petal strokes we practiced earlier, I now start forming the flowers. For the flower center, I'm using a deer foot brush. Tap brown color gently to create texture. Add yellow around it using a light tapping motion to give a natural blended effect. I'm going to paint flowers from different directions, paying attention to petal movement and center placement. At the end, I'll also show you how to paint a semi-open flower. Using a deer-foot brush, I first tap in brown to create a soft, textured base for the center. Then I add yellow around it. If I place the yellow just around the outer edge, it gives a top view effect, making the center look more open. But when I bring the yellow slightly from the top edge into the brown, it creates a shadow effect, making the flower look like it's viewed from the side. Using a scruffy brush loaded with brown and yellow together, I create a soft blended center in a single stroke. This gives a very natural and realistic finish. And that's how I completed this daisy practice sheet. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, share, and follow for day 14 of this series.